says door handle removal is very challenge. That one T30, one here, that's the door handle part. Let me bring the flashlight. Hold on. One bolt here, T30. One is another the cover holding part. The other one is inside here. So T30, you have to find the T30. But it looks like this guy is first. Move out this. Go back up. First, the door handle. Inside the key, move out the key here. This key, move out, pull up this. Pull up this and on time clock way, move out. Move out this and pushing in, move out on the top part a little bit, move out too, and this guy all the way move up and pushing in, then holding the handle, then that times the key part is gonna be move out, but it's not easy, not even easy that part. When you move out this guy, then door latch, back up a little more, far away. Door latch, drop down the door latch. Then you can put it in, screw in here, T30, move out that inside that T30 part, T30 bolt. But it's not easy. Everything is not easy to move out. It's so much design complicated. So anyway, we have to do that way. So I did use the plier and hold this part inside the T30 part, but this one is not right way. 2 bolt T30, I used the small impact, move out that one, but this one inside the part is very challenging. So that's all. We need this guy. I want to do this one now. I want to do. Okay, tied on, and this guy tied on too. Okay, and now I want to install the side mirror. Side mirror wire is inside holding that part, that hiding all the way. Let me show you this. That section on the frame on the frame hiding all the way through here. So I put in already some wire. Hold on a second. Show me this way. We paint already, so I don't want to make overspray. Okay, I put in some. Let me drop down the car a little bit. Okay, now we have to install side mirror. Okay, side mirror part. One bolt to here. Okay. So the bolt here. This bolt has to go on the inside. Let me grab the tool. Okay, I want to put in this guy here. Maybe you don't need a wire, just pushing in and easy to slide. This is a 10 milli 18 point socket. Well, I already put it in this wire here. Let me take just to use the wire. Can you hold this? Thank you. Be careful. Don't make it sliding. Just grab that in. That's it. Okay. Here. 10 milli bolt is for here. Okay, let me move up a little bit. So this is side mirror wire harness. Have to be come here and go through on the body inside the trim panel section here. So I want to install almost inside the stand, that's all. So very simple, I want to put it in here. Okay, can you follow me? This is the ratchet wire. This is the trim panel. This guy in the beginning when I moved out, the one wire was this side holding, so I want to make sure the wire have to go inside again. Otherwise, this wire pointy here, this one here, this guy stay here. So I want to make sure that part, also the inside clip. Alright, and this guy had to go in the beginning place here. Okay. Make sure inside door handle, wire, and this guy have to be here, and this guy have to be on the bottom here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put it in a little bit. Install it. I turn it up inside. Okay. So, clip, this clip, I want to put in here and push and flip this. Later I show you how pull off the clip. This clip is very it's not easy too, but if you know it's easier. Yeah, that's it. Simple. And this guy is side mirror wire harness. This guy have to go here, clip and lock. Okay, it looks like I have a original condition. Okay, now I need a clip. And 10mm bolt. 10mm bolt was here, and all clip go to just grabbing and pushing. When you move out the clip, that's let me show you that one. When you move out the clip, this hold grab to this and then pull out, and that's it. And then it's gonna become a push back. Yeah, same thing. Hola. No. No, thank you.
No. Probala, mi amor, ¿tú la quieres probar? Probala. Thank you. ¿Usted no, mi amor? Papá.
Thank you. Okay, now I want to tighten the 10mm here.